Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my top 10 products under 200 that actually work. So in this video I not only have makeup and skincare but also some products that you might use for your organization and home decor. So the first home decor / organization stuff that I bought is this one, which has pretty little things and compartments on the top of it, and it also has a little drawer over here. So I keep my beauty blenders here and all my lipsticks, mascaras organized over here. Now I don't really use it for storing all of my makeup because it really won't fit in, but then you can use your daily routine makeup stuff over here and keep it just near you somewhere. So this also looks really pretty, so finally my mother doesn't scold me when I keep all my makeup stuff outside. So I got this at exactly 123. So if you're interested in this or any other stuff from this video, you can check the links in the description box. I've given everything. So yeah. Next organization tool that I've got is from Miniso. Again, it is for 200 and I bought it on Amazon. It comes with this thing which has 3 compartments in it, which is absolutely good about it. Also, it comes with a mirror. I got this one at 200 and I think it is perfect for 200, but then let me remind you, Miniso means it is from China. I mean, it is made in China. So yeah, just wanted to put it out there. Now you can keep the mirror over here slanted. So I do my makeup like this, and yeah, I really like this stuff. So moving on to skincare, I have the perfect eye cream for anyone irrespective of their gender. So this is the Wadi Herbals under eye cream with cucumber and almond oil. So this is definitely the perfect eye cream. I mean, if you can see any difference in my eyes and my under eye bags and everything, it is because of this. It has this nostalgic Nivea kind of smell, and it comes with this creamy kind of texture. Just a touch and you're good to go. So this was for 80 only. So I bought this from Nykaa, and it is available in Amazon as well, as much as I know. So I will put a link in the description of Amazon and Nykaa both. You can shop from wherever you want. Now I'm not really exaggerating, but this one is the best eye cream out of all the eye creams that I've been using in the past. So yeah, it is for 80. You have nothing to lose. Get this and thank me later. So I have 2 foundations with me. One is the L18 Lasting Glow Foundation in the shade 03 Shell for wheatish skin, and this is the Blue Heavens Makeup Foundation with SPF in the shade Natural. Now if you have seen my Nykaa haul, you must have seen this foundation. Now I'm wearing it today as well. I completely love how this foundation works, and this is like my favorite since the day I started wearing makeup. So I didn't join the makeup community with Lakme and everything. I didn't use the Maybelline Fit Me till date, till I posted my Nykaa haul. So this one was the thing that I used to use, and it is good for my skin. But I would like to add, if you are a sensitive skin person, this might not work for you. At least that's what I think, because I have got reviews that it is not good for sensitive or acne prone skin. So yeah, the Blue Heavens foundation is for 90 and this is for 100, I guess. Both of them do work for me. Now if you are somebody who doesn't have a lot of acne scars to hide, or you want to go for a completely natural no makeup look, this is the foundation to go for. Doesn't matter how many liners come and go, this has to be the favorite of all time, which is the Lakme Insta Liner Water Resistant Eyeliner. So yeah, I don't really need to blabber much about this one because you all know this is so perfect. I've been using this since I guess 3 or 4 years. even more, I guess. It comes with a perfect applicator. The felt tip is so smooth and easy to go, and yeah, I have always loved this, and maybe I will in future as well. Let's come to some beautiful makeup brushes. So if you know me, you know that I've been always using these makeup brushes except for the first video of mine. So I bought these brushes at something like 250 because they had a good offer going on where you can get these brushes plus 2 beautiful beauty blenders that I still really haven't used yet. So I don't know about the blenders, but these brushes are absolutely perfect. I don't have any kind of complaint at all. I also got the 22 brushes set, which is absolutely a waste of money. So this is the only good and kind of nice brush to go for from Amazon at least. So yeah, if your budget is low, go for this one. There are 12 brushes in total, and now there's an offer going on where you'll get 12 brushes, 2 beauty blenders and a brush cleaner. So I really regret the fact that I bought it earlier, and I really wanted that brush cleaner, so it's okay, I guess. It's okay. So if you want to get it, the link is in the description. Now let's talk about some eyebrow shavers from Vega. So these come in a set of 3, and that implies that one is for 40 something because I got the set for 110. So this is the thing that kept my eyebrows alive all the quarantine, but because my mother watches my videos, let's pretend that I have never used these. But an inside thing that I want to tell you guys, this is absolutely perfect, and I think there's no better eyebrow razor to go for. So I've really lost count, but I guess this is my 8th thing, and it is the Mars Makeup Lipstick Pencil. Now basically it is a lip crayon, and it is in the shade 24, and I absolutely love this. This is for 90 only. Now I bought this from a local store, but I will put a link from Nykaa or somewhere, but I guess it is a little expensive. I guess it is for 100 on Nykaa, but if you go and buy it from a local store, bargain it a bit, it will be for 90. Swatch it a bit. So it looks a little reddish on the camera, but it is a brown nude lipstick, again in the shade 24. I'm wearing this on my lips right now with a hint of this, so I kind of combined 2 lipsticks. So yeah, here's the new shade. So my 9th thing is the Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil. Now this has to be the perfect eyebrow pencil ever because it comes with a brush at the back, plus it is for 49 only. It also comes with a brush at the back, as I said, so you don't need to have the hassle of carrying a spoolie with you. You can just brush your brows and then work with it. Now I am too ashamed to show you the pencil because it's really small. I've been using this since ever, so it's this much now. The last product is a home decor / organizing thing again, and this is the cute thing that I got. So this has to be the most spacious thing among all the things that I bought. But now coming to the price a bit, this thing always stays in offer. When I bought it, it was for $215, but right now when I check the website, it is for $350. I don't know what's happening, so I guess wait for some Christmas or New Year special offers to come, and it will be in some kind of offer. And yeah, that is it about my top 10 favorite things under 200. That is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you did like it. It's a kind of different video, and yeah, if you liked it, don't forget to let me know that you did, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.